Hey guys, my name is Mike and I'm from PTT Outdoor. Today we're going to be talking about 5 tips that I've learned over time to use your trekking pole like a pro. Let's go! Tip number 1, your hand should be always in L shape according to the pole. One of the common mistakes that I see is people having their pole way too low when they are going up, so their hand is like this, or their pole way too high up until it's not comfortable. The best position is to have it in an L-shaped position, and that's when it's more better to use and it gives you the best leverage for your energy. Tip number 2 is use your wrist strap. One of the common issue that I see is people do not use their wrist strap and they just hold it like this, and in case anything happens, the hiking stick will just fly off their hand. When you put your wrist in the wrist strap, put it from the top and just hold it like this, so in case you let go of the stick and you need to do a quick climbing, you just do it like this, and then when you are done climbing, all you have to do is just grab it back. Tip number 3, one of the common mistakes that I see people do is that they will put their hiking stick in front when they are hiking, so they will hike like this. Well, that's the wrong method. The correct method is the hiking stick should be at the back. So what you want to do is you will push, it gives you the push pressure, and the hiking stick is actually supposed to push you forward. So this said, this will be here, and that's how you use a hiking stick properly. Tip number 4 is when you are going uphill and you know you are going a lot of uphill, your stick is supposed to be shorter because you put it at the front, and this gives you better leverage to go up this way. So adjust it shorter, or what other people do is they will just hold it at the more bottom, so it gives better leverage when you are going up. And tip number 5 is when you are going down, your stick is supposed to be a slight bit longer than usual, so that it gives you a lot of stability when you're going down. And the proper way to hold it when you are going downhill is to put your hands on the top, just like this. This is how you stabilize yourself when you are going downhill. So yeah guys, hiking pole, or what you call a hiking stick, is actually very important because I personally use it because I want longevity in my hiking career, and it's supposed to help you lessen the load on your knees. And if you're carrying a heavy bag, it's always good to have 4 points to lessen your load instead of just 2 points, which is your leg. And at the same time, you can use it to fend off animals, and also the most important thing I think about a trekking pole is that it helps you go up and gives you a better experience and saves a lot of your energy. If you're going to hike a bigger mountain or a more tougher mountain, always bring your hiking pole. Even if you're not using them, just fold it and put it at your back, because you never know when someone else or yourself might need it as well. So that is the 5 tips that we have for you today. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below on where you are going to hike next. We will definitely reply your comment. Thank you so much, and until the next video, hike safe. Hey guys, if you want to watch more videos from PTT Outdoor, make sure you click the link over here. And if you like the content that we make sure you smash the subscribe button right here.